Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, we're gonna unbox this mini manual food chopper. Ayan guys. So I bought it like 59 pesos at DIY shop. So ayan guys. So ang kagandahan pag binili mo siya, na personally makikita mo ko talaga kung may defect yung binili mo or wala. Makikita mo na siya na hindi siya defected. So open it. Ayan. I just figure out how to open it, and as you can see, the blade is so sharp, and hawakan pa niya yan. Ayan. Hinawakan nga. And guys, just close the lid. Just put the food inside, close the lid, and just pull the string to rotate the blade, and yan, off you go. You can have your garlic cutting, peppers, puree, and all the cooking machine. So, ayan guys, you will love it at great low prices dahil murang-mura siya guys. So, ayan. That's it. And great, easy, and simple life. Bye!